Italy Adventure, a journey through timeless wonders. Aerial shot of the Amalfi Coast at sunrise. Waves gently crashing. Welcome to Italy, where adventure is written in every cobblestone, every bite of pasta, every sunset over the sea. Rome's Colosseum, slow motion of travelers walking into the arena. Begin your journey in the eternal city, Rome. Stand where gladiators once battled. Feel the power of ancient empires as history surrounds you. Zoom through narrow alleys of Venice on a gondola, the sound of water and music. Float through Venice, a city built on dreams. Glide beneath bridges, explore secret canals, and fall in love with the charm of its timeless romance. Adventurers hiking the Cinque Terre cliffs with ocean views. Craving something wild? Hike the colorful cliffs of Cinque Terre. Each step brings a new view, a new story, and flavors you'll never forget. Fast cuts of skiing in the Dolomites, biking in Tuscany, sailing in Sardinia, ski the majestic Dolomites. Cycle through rolling vineyards in Tuscany. Sail across the turquoise waters of Sardinia. In Italy, adventure wears many faces. A table with laughing travelers sharing a meal under olive trees. And when the day's done, gather around a table. Let the food speak. Let the wine flow. Let life slow down. Because in Italy, every meal is a celebration. Montage, Leaning Tower of Pisa, fireworks in Florence, night view of Rome. This isn't just a vacation. It's a journey through passion, flavor, thrill, and soul. Come, feel alive. Discover your Italy.
Let's take a moment, look around, see the beauty in this town. Hands can build and hearts can mend. Together we can change the earth. We can make a better world. Hand in hand, let love unfurl. With every smile, with every care, let's make a world we all can share. From the mountains to the sea, every voice in harmony. Stand as one, break down. Let's take a moment, look around, see the beauty in this town. Hands can build and hearts can mend. Together we can change the earth. We can make a better world. Hand in hand, let love unfurl. With every smile, with every care, let's make a world we all can share.